Own $10,000 of which AI project? Well, that's up to you. You can own all of them or you can own none of them. But in today's video, we're going to go into a few projects that I'm a fan of, and by the end of the video, you can decide. Now, these projects are part of a narrative that is going to dominate 2024. And although the value and the hype has increased, it is only the beginning, and millionaires have been made and more will be made. And with narratives, a project that is inferior in terms of tokenomics, use case, team can grant better returns than a project that is superior in every single aspect but is in a lesser known narrative. For example, last run metaverse coins in 2021, a lot of these projects had billion-dollar valuations, but the majority now have disappeared. And AI, artificial intelligence, the global market is easily going to reach new highs and predicted to reach 1.8 trillion by 2030, according to Forbes. So much more room to grow in this sector. So let's go into the cryptocurrencies involved. If you want more videos on AI projects, leave a like down below and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first up for number one, we have the king of AI, TAO. This project is one of my top holds now, considering how much it is X in my portfolio. We first mentioned it in the Digital Wealth Society around $40, $50, and on the channel around $70 to $80. Now, don't think just because it's number one that the run is over. In a bull run, FOMOing into assets is a bit different when you're picking winners. It does not matter if it's gone up 2, 3, 4, 5x. If the bull run is not actually completed yet, you're either on the train for the journey or the train is leaving without you. Also, if you go to CoinGecko, most popular narratives 2023, artificial intelligence is number one. Market capitalization, $10 billion. Few other examples on that list is GameFi, double that. Meme coins, double that. Layer 2s, double the market capitalization. And then we have layer 1s over 100x. And if TAO can remain number one out of AI coins, you can only imagine what that's going to do to the top market capitalization of TAO itself. Now, what is this project? It's a decentralized network powering machine learning where they've created a network that is rewarding and validating superior AI. And with these subnets, you can see a few examples like machine translation, text prompting, music generation, and a lot of these subnets itself go beyond AI. This is the utility of TAO. Now, currently, there are around 32. Imagine when there are hundreds. And just a few examples now of recent news and developments for TAO. We have Barry Silbert, the founder of Digital Currency Group, mentioning TAO. We also have Grayscale mentioning TAO for the second time. We also have Nice Research securing a subnet with the Coinbase director replying and in another tweet mentioning subnets. And we also have OSS Capital committing $25 million to the BitTensor ecosystem. And although this information is huge, it's even more important as the majority of people who are not active on crypto Twitter or active in this space are not aware of this project due to an incorrect listing on CoinMarketCap. The majority of what people actually use. It's actually ranked 29 of all cryptocurrencies, but on CoinMarketCap is ranked 207. This is even shown if you go to YouTube, type in a generic search bar like top AI cryptos. The majority of these thumbnails and videos do not include TAO, the most popular AI coin. And now on to the tokenomics. Same tokenomics as Bitcoin, modeled after BTC. 21 million max supply, having events every 4 years where the block reward is reduced by 50%, and the majority of TAO is currently staked. In terms of team, they have strong experience in AI, blockchain, mathematics, and last, the price. It does look overbought at these price points, but that was said at 100, 200, 300, 400, and now 500. Short-term price action to me is unpredictable. This could be at $300 or $600 next week. I do not know. All I know is a dollar cost average when opportunity arises. And now on to the next buy, we have COMAI. I bought quite a lot of this bag and I've been showing it constantly in the Digital Wealth Society group. My biggest buy has been around the 50-cent ranges. I think my average is probably around 80 cents right now. Now, what brought this project to my attention is a lot of the TAO OGs who spotted the potential back in 2022, 2023 are investing in this project. Also, a lot of known influencers in TAO For example, we have Algod. The only other hold that he has is COMAI, Dread Bongo, and an OG like the Mog Machine, who actually created TAO stats, said if no one steps up, he will create com stats, and also stated that it reminds him of buying BitTorrent back at $15 through OTC. And you're probably asking me, what is Commune AI? What is Com AI? Well, it's like decentralized AI with TAO, but they're a protocol that aims to allow developers to create, share, and connect development tools in modules to enable an open economy. CryptoGuts has quite a good explanation here where it's like a toolbox. And now on to Com AI tokenomics. 1 billion max supply, 75.8 million circulating. Daily inflation rate is 250,000 tokens, halving towards the end of 2025 playtime. And then we have 80 to 90% staked, and then 40 to 50% stake in APY, a lot higher than what TAO is. I think once centralized exchanges happen, the price is going to increase rapidly, and people are going to jump on the bandwagon like what we see with TAO right now. For example, when there was DEX available, it was not just OTC anymore. We went from 70, 80, 90 cents all the way up to $1.10, $1.20. Now people are catching on to this project. And I agree with this statement, TAO for the top 10 and COMAI for top 100. And that's not a small feat to be in the top 100. For example, if we go to previous historical snapshots back in 2017, the barrier to entry was around $100 million market cap. Fast forward to 2021 November, it was around a $1.1 billion market cap. What will it be for late 2024, 2025? I don't know, but it'll be a lot more than that. And next up is a crypto that I do not hold is OLAS. I unfortunately faded this around 90, 80 cents, around that dollar sort of area, and missed out on a clean 7x. This project is focused around AI agents where their services are apps that do not need human input, that run continuously, and Autonomous is a platform that creates and manages these services. OLAS is the utility token of it all. And recently, Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, had an indirect nod, soft shield towards the OLAS agents that were powering the omen prediction markets, where free agents were used to generate data about the future. I think Autonomous was not mentioned as he was not aware of the application that was being used, hence why it's a soft shield indirect nod. And now on to OLAS tokenomics. Total supply is 1 billion, and after 10 years, the total maximum inflation for the token will be capped at 2% per year, which is in line with the incentives of the ecosystem participants. Also, accessibility for this token is on the low side, like most AI coins, which will increase when these listings actually happen and more accessibility towards retail. And there is other tokens based around AI agents like Balance AI, which I have not looked into, that might be more lucrative in terms of returns, but this is still a solid hold. If you hold it or plan on buying it, check out the Decent Hardware Wallet. It is supported as is ERC20, and there's a 30% discount in the description and free shipping to the US, UK, and EU. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video. You'll notice a lot of these projects are based around AI, but more importantly, decentralized AI. It's very important where it's not one organization, one group of people controlling this technology, decentralized like the internet. And we went into the importance of this in a recent video explaining TAO, but also the need for decentralized AI. Check that out in the top right corner over there. Also, show me down below some more AI projects. There's only a few that are in my actual horizon. I have TAO for a large cap, COMAI for a mid to low cap. I want something that's a bit lower, a micro cap, to add to my portfolio, and that will be it. So show them down below in the comment section. But made this fun video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.